Hey guys, if you could see the rest of my little bitty garage cave, you'd see that there's nothing in here. Because today, we raised the walls. Why don't y'all come along? Let's go look at it. Hot dog.
This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper, and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo, doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up.
Don't you think you ought to get the cord out of the way? No. What? Help, Dad! I'm in jail! Get my son. Time to build the front wall. It's actually a lot sturdier than I thought it was going to be, and it's only got 2 X braces in it right now. Okay, 75 and 5/16 is what it should be. That's what it is. All right, I've got it all measured up. I'm gonna go build this wall inside the garage, and I'll bring it back and hang it. Starting to look good. feel like kind of an idiot. I forgot to turn the camera back on. I just went ahead and framed all that up and nailed it in and got it done. Oh well, you didn't want to watch it anyway, so here we go. Alright guys, I'm going to put the rest of the sheeting on and get this thing hopefully pretty well dried in, and next time, well, we may be working on the inside, or who knows. I may just show you a quick clip of whenever I prime it and get it ready for paint and get the roof ready. I'll see y'all next time. Have a good night. If you like this, like and subscribe. If you want to see the rest of this, watch it right up here. Good night, guys.